Hi, my name is Mike. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your setup using an implementation project. You'll need the Application Implementation Consultant role to perform this activity. Before you create an implementation project, you must first enable the offering and functional areas you want to implement as described in the Configure Offerings tutorial. To start, go to Setup and Maintenance. Open the Task panel and then select Manage Implementation Projects. First, create an implementation project. You want to manage setup data for purchasing for the procurement offering, so change the name so you can easily identify your implementation project later. Optionally, you can assign the implementation project to a user and a start date, but you don't want to do that now, so go on to the next step. Now, select the offering and functional areas that you want to manage in this implementation project. All offerings and functional areas that you opted into are listed here. If an offering or functional area that you need isn't shown, you can opt into them as shown in the Configure Offerings video. Select Procurement, then Purchasing. Since Purchasing has dependent functional areas, you can select them as well. But for now, you only want to set up Purchasing, so don't select those dependent functional areas. You're done with your selection, so save and open your implementation project. The task list for your implementation project is generated based on your offering and functional area selection. Expand and review the list of tasks. You have all the tasks you need for your implementation, so now you can assign the tasks to other users that will help with the implementation. Select the tasks you want to assign and then click on the Assign Tasks button. Search for users. Add the users who have the responsibility to enter this setup data. Add one more user, then click Apply, then Done. You can specify a due date for each user to complete these tasks, or you can specify the same due date for all users. You must be careful when specifying due dates and keep in mind the task sequence so you don't create any data dependency conflicts. Optionally, you can add a note for the assigned users. You've completed the assignments for these tasks, so save and close. Now your tasks are assigned and you can see who is assigned to each task. You can repeat the same steps to assign any other tasks as needed, but these tasks are now ready for users to perform. Thanks for watching.